bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How's everyone doing today? Okay, my friends, today we're going to be making a really fun embellishment that I created. I love how this turned out. This is so cute, guys. I made this embellishment with these stickers. I love them. I saw them at Michael's and I already knew immediately when I saw them what I wanted to create, which was kind of like a scenery. And so I did that with this embellishment. I thought it turned out so cute. I used the two stickers that I have here. I used a Christmas mini tree back here, some snowflakes, and I kind of created like a little wonderful little winter Christmas scenery. So I want to show you how I did this, okay? I love how it turned out. Very simple. I used the wooden slices that I got at Michael's, which are these right here. These you can find in the Tiny Treasures section, and they're just like wood slices. So what I did was I took a big one and I took a small one, and I basically glued them down together to create kind of like a little step like that. Okay. I already glued these down. So for my sticker, I used these again, and what I did here was I used a pop stick or like a lollipop stick, and I glued it to the back of my sticker because I wanted to give it stability. I didn't want my sticker to go floppy and be very like moving from side to side. So with this stick that I added in the center of the sticker, kind of gives it a nice little stability. So that's what I did. I basically just cut it off with my finger, a little piece, and I glue it down to the middle of the sticker. And what we're gonna do is, to the sticker, we're going to add some hot glue at the bottom, and we're going to glue it down to the smaller slice, the wood slice, okay? We're gonna basically glue it down this way, just like that, okay? So let's do that. If you don't have these stickers, you can always use different kinds of stickers, obviously. So I have a little tiny glue right there, and I'm going to basically glue him right against, oops, right against my little step. See that? And that's what you're gonna get. Okay? Perfect. Now, I also purchased these stickers from Michael's, which I absolutely adore. They're Christmas tree stickers, and they have really nice different sayings in front of it. So I'm going to use, for this one I used the green one. For this one I'm going to use the red one, and it says joy, welcome, winter, peace, believe in Christmas. I thought these were really fun stickers to use. So I'm going to basically add this sticker to the back of my little embellishment that I just added right here, okay? So you're going to add some hot glue, and you're going to basically add it somewhere around back here, just like so it could look like that, okay? So just eyeball it and see where you want your sticker to be, and just glue it down. So I'm going to glue it down at the bottom first. So I'm going to add some hot glue right here at the bottom. Okay, and I'm going to basically squeeze him right in here, just like so. Okay, just like so. And then I'm going to add some hot glue in the back so I can adhere it against my sticker. So I'm going to eyeball it where it should be, roughly around here. Okay, and now you're going to put it against the sticker so it can hold, and so that it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, and that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna get something that looks like that. See that? Beautiful. Okay, to the back of my little sticker here, I added a really fun Christmas tree. I have here these like brush trees that you get at Michael's. We're going to add this tree right in the back so it can really stand out. This is a little bit bigger than the norm, but I kind of really wanted to stand out like that. So I'm going to hot glue this to the back. So let's hot glue it. That's a nice hot glue. And make sure that how you layer it down is how you want it to look. Okay. So I want mine to kind of look like this. Okay, so I'm going to hot glue this in the back, just like that. Okay. And you're going to create a little scenery that looks like that, which is super cute. Already this is turning out so cute. I love it. Okay, beautiful. We almost done. So what we're going to do is, let's decorate a little bit of the sticker right here in the front. In this one right here, I just put a little bow and a few little Christmas balls. So I have a ball right here that I'm going to add to roughly right here in this area of my little sticker. Okay, so just a little tiny glue, and I'm going to add it right over this area right here. Nowhere specific. See? And then I'm going to get my little tiny balls that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to add this sporadically around some areas where I think it'll look nice. I'm going to put one on this end right here, and I'm going to put another one on the other end right here. Okay, boom, there you have it. That's done. That's so cute. Maybe I should add a gold in the center. Let's add a gold in the center. Beautiful. Beautiful. How cute did that turn out? Look at that. How adorable is that? I love it. Okay, to this little Christmas tree right here, all I did was I added a gigantic star, one of these fun sequin star. So I'm gonna grab one, and I'm just gonna add it right in the front of this little Christmas tree right here, which is from the sticker. Add a little bit of hot glue. I'm going to add my star right in the center, and that's going to give my star such a cute look to my tree. See that? How cute is that? I love it. We're almost done. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to do the snowflakes on the back. How did I do that? I have this snowflake that I got at Michael's. This is one of those like what is it called, like felt snowflakes. And then I have this wood veneer one that I also got at Michael's. I'm also using one of these lollipop sticks to kind of create a little bit of a length, like a height to it. Okay, so I'm gonna hot glue this to the stick basically. Okay, and I'm going to hot glue the wood veneer on the side, like I'm gonna a little bit on the side onto that snowflake. Okay, on the side. Boom. You're gonna get something like that. Okay, this is gonna come in the back, sticking out just like this. Obviously the stick is too long, so you're gonna have to kind of measure it to see what size you want, and then you're simply just gonna take the stick, measure it, feel the size that you want, and cut it. Once you have the size that you need to cut, okay, go a little bit lower, because you can always manipulate it by cutting it again. But if you cut it too short, you're screwed. Okay, so mine is roughly around here. Okay, and then just play around with it and see how it looks. If you like it like that, then that's perfect. See, I kind of like mine like that. All you have to do is hot glue it to the back of your sticker. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to add some hot glue over here, and I'm going to hot glue this to the back of my sticker. Obviously, making sure how you want it to look. I want mine to look like that. Okay. Maybe off this side a little bit. There we go. And you already created yourself a cute, adorable little scenery for Christmas with a few little things. Okay. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of a Christmas little ball right here, and we're done. And that is how you create this adorable little Christmas scenery in no time. Boom. There you have it, guys. How adorable did this turn out? This is so cute. I love it. Look at that, guys. Look how cute this turned out. Now, can you imagine this on a little shelf in a little corner? Maybe you having like a little project to do. Perfect. Enjoy it. I hope you make them. Love you all.